Let's explore the 9th through 12th grade student experience with LIFEPAC by AOP. Each school day, your child will complete lessons from their LIFEPAC student books, and throughout the week, you'll grade their work using the teacher's guide. In addition to core subjects, your student can broaden their interests with LIFEPAC's one-semester and full-year electives. LIFEPAC electives cover a broad range of topics such as high school health, civics, art, world languages, literature, consumer math, and various other subjects. High school students are at a unique crossroads, developing the critical life skills needed for adulthood after graduation, while also enjoying the remaining moments of their childhood. We encourage parents to partner with their students in managing their schedule and setting agreed-upon deadlines. This will aid in solidifying their time management and critical thinking skills essential for adulthood. Consider block scheduling or explore other routines that align with your students' peak performance times to maximize their strengths. As your high schooler matures, their attention span and learning capacity expand. By 9th through 12th grade, students should allocate 45 to 60 minutes per day for each course lesson. Full-year courses consist of 10 work texts, while single-semester courses comprise of 5 work texts. Completing each workbook gives students a sense of accomplishment and tangible proof of their hard work and success, which renews their motivation throughout the course. LIFEPAC serves as a complete school year in a box, offering a simple progress tracking system designed for homeschool families. Is LIFEPAC right for your high school student? Explore LIFEPAC to start your child's learning journey today.